For some projects, the best path forward is with a focused, staged approach. At the UNSW Innovation Hub, our two-part engagement model provides project teams with both strategic clarity and hands-on support as ideas move from exploration to implementation. Stage 1 is a design consultation. This involves a dedicated period of design discovery research and consultation with the partner, where we work together to understand the context, define the problem, and surface key insights. At the end of this stage, we deliver clear, evidence-informed recommendations to guide the way forward. Stage 2 is collaborative implementation. Here we prototype, test, and implement some or all of the recommendations made, working closely with the partner to ensure solutions are practical, responsive, and grounded in real-world needs. This two-stage model allows partners to move thoughtfully from understanding to action, supported by design-led methods and expertise from across UNSW.